Now the position of India in the world, that is, India lies to the, this is your Asia. India lies to the south of the Asia. Okay, and India has a close contact with the west and the east of the world, with its land routes as well as with the ocean routes since ancient times. Okay, so that is, we are connected with the western part and with the eastern part also, and with the southeastern part of these, with the Indonesia, Malaysia, Java and Sumatra, even with the Australia also we are connected. Our Mumbai port are connected with the Europe. From the earlier, what we have to do, we have to move from here and cover the whole of the African continent and entering into the Mediterranean Sea, then entering into the Europe. But with the opening of the Suez Canal here, it has become easy for us, that is, moving from the Mumbai to the Arabian Sea, then entering into the Red Sea, and then Suez Canal into the Mediterranean Sea, and then to the Europe. It has reduced, opening of the Suez Canal has reduced about distance of 7,000 kilometers. Even we have the link with the, from the Kolkata till the Japan, from Delhi to the European countries, and from the Visakhapatnam to the this Indonesia, Malaysia and all, and the Australia also. India contacts with the world have continued through the ages, but the relationship through the land routes are much older than her maritime contacts. The various passes across the mountains in the north have provided passages to the ancient travelers, while the ocean restricted such interaction for a long. See, we have relationship with the world since ancient times. From the land routes, we are joined with the world, that is with the passes. This is the symbol that is used for the passes. If you go through the atlas also, this symbol in geography is used for showing the passes. Example, Jozilla Pass or Shipkila Pass, along with it, even your it's not completely mentioned passes over there. It is written Shipkila and the symbol is there. Similarly, and these passes have been made in the Himalayan region. So from there we are connected to the other parts of the world. These routes have contributed in the exchange of ideas and commodities such as ancient times. In the ideas of Upanishad, Ramayana, stories of Panchatantra, Indian numerals, decimal system thus could reach many parts of the world. The spices of muslin and other merchandise were taken from India to different countries. On the other hand, the ancient influence of Greek sculpture and the architectural styles of the dome and minarets from the Western Asia can be seen in the different parts of the country. That is all our Mahabharata, Ramayana, Upanishads, decimal system that was invented in India only. It was taken to the different parts of the world with these land routes only. Ocean routes started after very long time. Okay, and even the commodities like spices, muslin is a kind of a cloth, very fine cloth that is basically made in the Bangladesh. Okay, that was also from the, it was also transported to the India only, to the different parts of the country. So we have the contacts with the world through these land and the ocean routes.